ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. നമഃ സൂര്യായ സോമായ മംഗളായ ബുധായ ച ഗുരു ശുക്ര ശനിഭ്യശ്ച രാഹവേ കേതവേ നമഃ. Prostrations to the Navagraha Devatas who controls the entire universe. Welcome to Sri Jnanambika Research Foundation for Vedic Living. The purpose of this video is to invite you all to participate in a Navagraha Homam which is conducted with powerful Veda mantras on 23rd of September. 23rd of September being a very special and important day as the Rahu Ketu transit is happening on this date. Rahu Ketu has great influence in everyone's destiny. If you are facing any kind of health problems or if you have any diseases, if you have debt problems or if you find any obstructions in marriage, in business or if you have any other kind of problems which you have not solved for a very long time, it is a great opportunity for you to participate in this homam and can come out of all your troubles by the blessings of Navagraha Devatas. You can register with us to participate in this homam through our website www.vedicliving.in by giving your name, nakshatram and also the other details. We will send you the prasadam as well as the Navagraha yantras which we will be keeping in this homam and will be charged with the Veda mantras. Definitely you will get the blessings of Navagraha Devatas. We will be also doing the streamline of this homam in YouTube. You can get the details through our website www.vedicliving.in. The Navagraha Homam is done with the powerful Veda mantras by giving special importance to Rahu and Ketu. Om Kayanascetra Bhuvadodis Sada Vratas Sakha Kayasachastaya Vrata Ayango Pratyrakramita Sanan Madaram Pidaram Chaprayan Suvaha. This is the mantra of Rahu. Om Kedam Kannanna Kedave Pesho Maria Abeshase Samishad Bhiraja Yadaha. This is the mantra of Ketu. Like that, we do homam by chanting the Veda mantras for all the Navagrahas. You will be blessed by participating in this homam. You can expect a very prosperous and happy life in coming days. Sri Jnanambika Research Foundation for Vedic Living is an organization with the motto Swadhyayanma Pramadaha Yajnohi Shreshtatamam Karma Vasudeva Kudumbakam. That is, we teach and propagate Vedas, do yajnas for the Lokakshemam, that is for the well-being of the entire human race, and also we educate people to follow and lead a life based on Sanatana Dharma for peace, prosperity and happiness. Definitely this will bring the happiness and the peace for the entire world. By participating in our yajnas and homams, you are also becoming the part of the great mission of spreading the Sanatana Dharma. Rahu and Ketu are considered very important in the destiny of every human being. Grahadhinam Narendrana Uchrayaha Padananija Bhava Bhavo cha Jagadaha Tasmat Pujyatamagraha, says Shastra. Navagraha plays a critical role in everyone's destiny, which is based on Purva Janma Punya and Papa. Navagraha disposes the results. So, Shastra says one should do the puja of Navagrahas, and by the blessings of Navagraha Devatas, definitely you can bring a change in your destiny. So, we request all of you to participate in this Navagraha Homam and get blessed. Thanks.